What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. In this video I'm going to review a perfume from the house of Swiss Arabian. It's been a long time since I have reviewed anything from this house. The last perfume I have reviewed from this house was Oud Adrak, if I'm not wrong, and today in this video I'm going to review one of their latest releases, Tobacco 01 or Tobacco 1, and this is something wow. They have recently launched two fragrances. The first one is Vanilla Toffee, which is very sweet, very thick and very heavy, and the second one is Tobacco 1, and this is right up my alley. I really love this perfume in the first sniff. So let's start our review, and as always we'll start with the presentation first. So you'll get this perfume in this beautiful box. You can see the packaging here. It's a solid box. You can see the color, the design, the logo of Swiss Arabian here on the top, and then the name of the perfume, Tobacco 01, and this is extrait de parfum concentration here. The concentration is 75% volume. It means they have used like 25% of oil. And then you can see how the box look, and then in the back here you will find all the ingredient details. Nothing on the top, nothing in the bottom, and once you are open the box like this, you will find a small card here, and this is like instruction for use. This one is more like a warning kind of card, and then finally you will get your beautiful bottle resting in this beautiful cutout of velvet and foam. You can see the beauty of the bottle here. It looks so regal, so rich. And now let me show you the bottle. The bottle here is very similar to their Wow collection. They have a whole range of perfumes with the same type of bottles, but all those bottles are transparent. Here it's painted. You can see the color of the bottle here. It's beautiful. You can see the metallic finish, the logo of Swiss Arabian here on the top, the name of the perfume. You can see the curvy shape of the bottle, and you can see the sides here, and you can see the cap. The cap is made of metal. It's very heavy, and this is literally a piece of art. You can see the definition, the quality, and the finishing here on this cap. So overall 10 on 10 for the presentation. And now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the notes breakdown first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So here in the top you will get plum, apple, cumin, pink pepper and licorice, and then in the middle you will get labdanum, amber, ylang ylang and patchouli, and then in the base you will get musk, cashmere, honey, vanilla, sandalwood and tobacco. So this is the official notes breakdown, and now I will try to tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, this is extraordinary good, a compliment magnet. People are going to compliment you. Even the ladies are going to compliment you a lot, because I got multiple compliments with this perfume. This smells so good and it gives you that personality boost. So here definitely you will get a lot of tobacco and then some sweet fruity notes with some vanilla. The very first thing that's going to hit your nose is tobacco and honey. Tobacco is a little bit bitter here, but it's more on the sweeter side. Then you will get a beautiful blend of plum and apple. Plum is more prominent here, apple is there but it's light and in the back. This is a thick, sweet, heavy kind of scent, but it's very balanced. This is not nausea inducing type of scent. The tobacco used here is very smooth and very rounded. It's not sharp, it's not very herbal. And then you will get beautiful vanilla and sandalwood in the base. So this is how this perfume opens, and then in next 10 to 15 minutes it becomes more fruity, more sweet, and tobacco becomes little bit lighter. But in the second phase, which comes after like 2 hours, tobacco becomes prominent once again. It becomes strong and it becomes less sweet. The note of honey is always there with you. It's giving you that beautiful sweetness to the whole concoction. And then in the final dry down, it remains almost the same. It just becomes little bit more honeyed kind of perfume. A beautiful blend, a beautiful journey. It's not boring at all. You will be loving it, and you will be getting a lot of compliments. A very rich smelling, the quality blending top notch here. Tobacco 1. So if you are living inside UAE, or if you have a store of Swiss Arabian near your home or in the vicinity, do check it out. If you are a tobacco fragrance lover, this is something must have. Swiss Arabian Tobacco 01. Now let's talk about the inspiration behind this perfume. This is a perfume designed by a perfumer called Angeline Laporini, if I'm pronouncing it right. And some people on Fragrantica have compared this perfume with Initio side effect. But let me tell you that this perfume is not similar to Initio's side effect at all. Yes, they got some similar vibes. I can say this is something around 30 to 35% similar to Initio side effect, not more than that. And then it got a lot of other things, a lot of its own things happening in this perfume. It's more sweet, there are more fruits here, there is like different kind of tobacco here. So overall, a great scent, a great creation from Angeline Laporini from the house of Swiss Arabian. Do check it out, guys. A masterpiece. I really loved it. A compliment magnet. So this was about Swiss Arabian Tobacco 1. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. Let's talk about performance. Performance wise, boombastic, top notch, 10 on 10. 1 day lasting easily, and the projection is amazing. I got like 4 to 5 hours of good projection. Definitely it projects like crazy in the beginning, and after that it becomes a little bit softer and softer, but people around you will be able to smell it in next 4 or 5 hours, and you will get a lot of compliments even after that. Whenever you are going to interact with anyone, they will be able to smell it. Or if you are passing through a corridor and if someone is walking behind you, they will be able to smell it. So lasting and projection, top notch. For the gender, this is kind of unisex type of scent, but leans more towards the masculine side. But ladies, they can still try it out. The tobacco is something which maybe ladies don't like, otherwise they can rock it. Now let's talk about the age group. For the age group, you should be a little bit mature. I can say you should be around 22 plus of age to rock it. And if we talk about the season or weather, this is going to give you an exceptional experience in cold weather, definitely, because this is a tobacco based scent. Or otherwise, if you're staying inside with an air conditioned environment, you can also rock this perfume in summers. But if you are going outside in 30, 35, 40 degrees centigrade, direct sunlight, then this is not for you. And now let's talk about the occasion. So occasion wise, this is damn good. So the first thing that comes to my mind is date, office, party, wedding, clubs, pubs, you know, that kind of occasions, or any kind of special occasion. And avoid this perfume in your gyms, because this is not something which you will enjoy a lot in your gym. You want fresh fragrances in your gym. Other than that, you can rock this perfume in any kind of scenario. And now let's talk about the price. So first of all, this is a little bit expensive. It comes in 50 ml quantity with Extrait de Parfum concentration and with this beautiful presentation. And the current price of this perfume inside UAE is 230 UAE dirhams, unless you can get some kind of discount or some special offer is going on, you know, on a national day or something. So this was my review about Tobacco 01 Extrait de Parfum from the house of Swiss Arabian. 230 dirhams for 50 ml. Is it worth it? Definitely. If you can afford it, really worth it. If you cannot afford, then you can let it go. But if you can, just try it out. Tobacco 01. So this was my review about Tobacco 1. I hope you like this review, and I'm going to catch you in my another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.